MYNTRI RANGBAH Khubor ukonrat ke sangma haka khat sao terik unailar ula SHIM haka jingrakhi ga 12th National Handloom Day ha Integrated Textiles Tourism Complex NONGPOH balapelong dekatana textiles jong ke Khuborjylla bat ula yero ek jingtri shitom jong kinong thanjan ki beleri bat sumar ban penek pensa elaka korshor tenrai nadu menchwa ula ong kawai pa kawai ka jan balathan sani baha daga kti kadon la ka jong ka jingethu khana nadu ka rukom penwandur ye ki rong ki dur ki bapin I ka jingru spa ka jala Meghalaya kani ka mati ka lapau perthei bat ki jan ki bami na kini ka jaka ki lawanra e ka jingmentoi ki blacken tiu ye ka yok kokot ye ki babun ki longyeng longsem nalor MYNTRI RANGBAH la don langru akni ka jingelang uba met ba lingdo MYNTRI ka tana textiles ka jilla uba miral bonds aim MLA ka kongrona khamded MDC Dr. Shakil P. Ahmed Chief Secretary ba Frederick Kharkongor Principal Secretary Dr. Abhishek Saini Deputy Commissioner Karibhoy Giri Prasad Superintendent of Police ka kong DP Taryang District Handloom Officer Ribhoy ke officer ka jilla bat kilong kimi longpa na them Ribhoy
Rashtra Salute! Samla! Chest!
Discussion to hands-on skills, helping women improve cocoon processing and yarn quality, while the revolving fund model was introduced with support from Wheels Global.
Get more leaves in the sticks.
We are working with the same like cotton fabric local artisans work here, but we are using different techniques and how in the same like less number of staff we can work and keep on creating more designs and it will benefit time also. So we are working on this technique that we are doing. We started work so basically we need 5 hours. It is an elongated work, but then it comes close and
I think I'll spoil it.
Nakitang banong siya These designs and the textile that we see behind us, it's not just a piece of cloth. It is our identity. And that is what makes it special. And that is why, for us as a government, it's not about just looking at our weavers, which is, of course, at the heart of what we're doing. But this is an investment. This is a celebration. This is another shout out to our identity, to our culture, and letting the people know, letting the country and the world know that this is Meghalaya, and that we are proud of who we are and what we are. It has been the endeavor of our government to ensure that identity, to ensure that our culture, to ensure that our language and our practices remain at the heart of what Meghalaya is and where Meghalaya is going. And never to forget the roots from where we have come. Because the world is moving too fast. Today, the mobile is taking over everything. And it is the easiest thing to forget our roots, forget who we are. Whether it is making both Khasi and Garo official languages, which for 54 years, Garo and Khasi were not official languages of our state. Our own mother tongue was never our own official language. English was the only official language. And of course, there's a reason for it. There are challenges. But as a government, it is crucial for us to take that stand, take the decision, said whatever the challenges that are there in front of us, we will ensure that we take the decision which will protect our people, our tradition, our language. And therefore, what we have been doing in the last 6 to 7 years has been beyond just livelihood, beyond just textiles, beyond just weaving. As I said, we are weaving our culture, we are protecting it, and that is how we are investing in our people.